In this session, we will be seeing how to create a extrudes in Creo Parametric. An extrude feature is based on two-dimensional sketch. So we first create a two-dimensional sketch, 2D sketch, then we apply an extrude feature. So we will be seeing how to apply extrude features in the Creo Parametric. So these are the theory. So we will see the PPTs. You can either select the sketch first, then start the extrude tool, or you can start the extrude tool and then select the sketch. Okay. So these are the types, extrude types. First one is a blind, symmetric, then through all, through until, and to selected. We'll be seeing this in a Creo parametric interface. Okay. So how to create a extrude? There are types of extrude. So we'll be seeing this one by one. Solid. So this option selected make solid extrude surface. So this option make the sketch as a surface. Okay. Then extrude depth tool. There is we can give the depth, then depth value, invert true. If you want to remove material, you can select the remove material option. Then you can thicken the sketch or thicken the extrude command by using thicken tool. Okay, so there is one side, two side. Two side is both sides are thickness. So you can give this thickness symmetrically to the sketch. Okay, then there is the other side. We will see this one by one. We see this one by one. Extrude depth tool option. Okay, so to start it, go to the new in the menu bar, then go to the part, select the solid, click OK. Use default template or you can change the template. Okay, click OK. Then you can change the units here. So I want Newton, millimeter Newton. So you'll be selecting this. Okay, and part will be created. So these are the geometry, the top plane, right plane, and front plane. So these are the planes. In the navigation tree also you can see that. Okay, so you can also create sketch, 2D sketch, and then use extrude command, or you can simply go to the extrude command. Okay, and then create a sketch. If you want to see this parallel to the sketch plane, go to the sketch. So we will simply create a center point rectangle. Okay, press escape, and I will edit the dimensions. 500 tab. I will give this. This also I will give 500. Enter. Okay, I will also create a circle here. Or okay, ठीक है. We will first see the extrude command. So this is the sketch. See this extrusion has been created. So to extrude this, we will giving in the extrude command we will giving this 2D sketch a height parameter. Okay, so see this depth. Go to the depth. You can change the depth or height of the extrusion. Okay, see this 200. Then there are the option. First one is a variable. Okay, then there is a symmetric. If you select the symmetric, you can give 200, which is symmetrically divided on the plane. Okay? On the top plane it has been divided 100 on the upper side, 100 on the lower side. You can also thicken the sketch. Go to the thicken sketch command. See this, it has been provided. You can give the thickness here. So here is the 7.07. Okay, so you can give a thickness like this. Okay? So thickness has been provided. Then there is a surface option. You can also create a surface here by clicking on the surface command. So we'll be on seeing the solid. Okay, so thicken sketch I will off this. Then there are the options. You can also change the options from here. You can give the depth. Then there are the body options. Okay, create a new body. If you want to create a new body, then there are properties. Okay, so you can change the extrude name. So I will give this name as extrude first. You can change the name, which will be highlighted in the navigation tree. Okay, simply click on OK, and this is how you can create a Creo Parametrics. Okay, see this navigation tree. The rename has been successfully extrude first. So now I want to create a sketch on this surface. So simply click on the surface. You can also click on sketch here from the tab, or you can simply select this from the pop-up menu bar. Go to the sketch, then I will simply create a circle here. Okay, I will create a circle here, click OK, and I will extrude this. So see this, automatically it has been extruded on the upper side. So what I want to do, I want to remove the material. So I will simply change the direction. You can change it from here. So I will change the direction to the lower side, and I will give it as a 100. Okay, so 100 depth I have given. Remove material option. Okay, you can click on it and material will be removed. This is how you can remove the material using sketch. Now we will be seeing extrude tool depth, thicken tool. Okay, extrude depth tool option through until this option will cause extrude to stop at the specified surface of the section. Okay, once you do so, we will see this option. Go to the extrude, edit this feature. You can edit definition here. In this, I will be selecting uh, through until. Okay, so I will set this face. So to this surface, it will create extrude cut. Okay, so these are the various options in the remove material and extrusion of the Creo Parametric. So this is how you can create extrudes in the. Okay, so we will be seeing a revolve command. So for the revolve command, we will create a sketch here. Let's create on this plane, right plane. Go to the sketch. Okay, then sketch, and then we will be creating a profile here. Okay, so we will simply create a profile like this. We will create a section which we want to revolve around this axis. Okay, delete this segment. Okay, also delete this segment. 200. I will give this fillet here. I will give fillet on this corner. Okay, and also on this corner to make it a smooth. Okay, and I will shift this point somewhere to here. Or simply I will okay, so sketch has been created. It will increase the radius by 300. Okay, click on OK. So we have a sketch ready here. We will go to the shape tab, then we will click on revolve. So we will select the sketch. This sketch has been selected. I will select the axis. Okay, see this. This is how you can create a revolve. Okay, revolve has been created using this section. You can also change the angle here. If you change the angle, revolve will be there is a thicken sketch option. You can create a thickness. You can change the thickness from this. I will change it to 7. This is how you can create a revolve. There is option symmetric. You can also create a symmetric option. Thank you. 90. So see this, 45 to the left side, 45 to the right side of the plane. If I enter 180, 90 degree to the left, 90 degree to the right. This is how we create a wall. If I untick the thickness option, solid will be created. Okay, this is how you can create a revolve in the Creo Parametric. So we will be seeing in the engineering tab. First one is a round, or you can say we can add fillets to this solid edge. Go to the round command. In this, you can select the edge, okay, and you can edit the parameter. See this? This is how you can create rounds in Creo Parametric. So there are the options through curve, then cordon, okay. This is how you can create fillets. Okay, this is how you can create fillets or rounds in Creo Parametric. Then there is an option providing chamfer. So we click on chamfer, then select the edge. Okay, for this edge, you can edit parameters like you can give dimension and dimension. Okay, then different dimension, 2 dimension you can also give. Then you can give an angle and then a dimension or distance. Okay, then you can change it to 45 degree and then edit the dimension. Okay, this is how you can create a chamfer. We also have auto rounds. See this corner chamfer, we will be seeing this. Create a sketch here. Extrude it to the upper side. Corner chamfer. So you have to select a corner. Okay, so this vertex I will be selecting. See this, and there you can change the parameters like first distance, then there is second distance, and the third one. And this is how you can create a corner chamfer. And also drag it here. Okay, these options, and you can use the parameters. Click OK. This is how you can create a corner. Then there is a chamfer. We have auto round. Okay, click OK, and it will create an auto chamfer to the edges automatically to the whole part. Then there is a shell option. Just click on the shell option. Okay, so in this we have to select a body. So select a body, select this body. Okay, then remove surfaces. I have to remove this surface. Okay, see, this surface has been removed. Non-default thickness, you can provide faces to provide a non-default thickness. Okay, you can also change the thickness from here. Enter. So this is how you can create shell in the solid. We will see the next options in the next session. Thank you.